what is marketing, let us understand the importance of marketing. Why marketing is important? Yes.
Marketing is important to reach the
Okay.
more people or area, to increase our customer base.
Marketing is required because as such we live in a competitive world.
Right. Let me share with you a few points which I picked up from the net. Okay. Number one, the benefits of marketing. Describe your product or service to potential buyers using a variety of techniques, not just one technique, because we are dealing with different people, right? And every single person is different. For example, some people, they like reading more than listening. Some people like listening more than reading. Some people like watching more than listening or reading. You know, how many of you have heard about visual? No. Yeah. You know, auditory, visual, and kinesthetic. Have you ever heard about these three words? Auditory, visual, and kinesthetic.
So I get it's way of remembering or memorizing something.
Yeah, you can say that. Okay. Some people are visual. That means, you know, what they see, they can remember. But some people are auditory. Auditory means what they hear, they like hearing even more than seeing. Okay. And kinesthetic means they like feeling, they like to touch and feel. Okay. Now, all of us, we have all the three. Everybody is visual, everybody is auditory, everybody is kinesthetic, but different levels. So, marketing helps you to convey your message in different words so that each type of person can get connected. Number two, it helps you to establish a brand and any philosophy or values associated with it. For example, some brands stand for value. Some brands stand for quality. Some brands stand for economy. So what do you think is the difference between economy, value, and quality? Guess. Yes.
Sir, value is whatever your product, whatever you have created, you would have some pre thoughts while creating it. Some kind of values that you want to input in that particular service or product or brand, which you know can associate it with people across the gender gap or the age gap or whatever it is. And economy is like we can say price point.
Economy is okay. Yeah. You're right. Yes.
And the third thing you said is
Quality.
yeah, quality is basically we all seek a good quality product.
Right. So you're very close. Let's hear you there. Let me see what Nihal is.
So the question is like quality. These brands are associated with these, but these three things. These are the marketing.
Yeah, go ahead. Yes.
Like I would say, like Apple is a quality product. That's a brand associated with that value, the
Okay.
quality.
Okay.
People buy it's because okay, when they say I buy Apple, that means they say okay, he use a quality product.
Right.
So many things are associated with it,
Right.
like the feeling, like the emotions, like the having the better product than others.
Right.
So so every brand has their own um own uniqueness. Maybe
Okay.
some products are very reasonable or competitive in price,
Okay.
and people buy it only because okay, it is better, but and the price is most effective than others.
Okay. Okay.
So I think you just want to showcase that particular factor.
Okay. All right. See, you're very, very right, or you're very, very close, I would say. See, economy means the only focus is on the price. Of course, that product should be able to do its job, no doubt, but you are not expecting really high quality from there. Value means you look for good quality as well as a good price. For example, the lower middle class people, they buy things purely based on price, not based on quality or based on value. Most of the middle class people, we are always looking for value. For us, value is more important than the price, or even more important than the quality. Just because something is high quality, we are not willing to pay more. We want it at a reasonable cost also. We also want a better quality, and we also want a better price also. Quality means you are only concerned about the quality. The price doesn't really matter. I know, as long as you like it, you are willing to pay any amount for it. For example, people who buy luxury cars. Okay, are they looking for value or are they looking for quality?
Both.
No, they are only looking for quality. They are not bothered about the price.
Yes.
They are not bothered about the price. As long as they like it, they have all the features which they want, even if it's more, even if it's less. Otherwise, they will not be. The people who are middle class, they are looking for the value. They are looking for the value. Okay, what are the features and what is the price? They are not looking at only the features, and they are not looking at only the price. They're looking at a combination of both. Now, as middle class people, you and I, we cannot even think like the upper class who are buying this luxury car. For example, very few of us can even think that even if I had a lot of money, I'll buy a Mercedes. Or we want to buy an Audi, but when we are going to buy an Audi, what will be our thought process? We don't know right now. All I can guarantee you is, with our current thought process, we cannot buy an Audi. Because to buy an Audi, we have to be looking more at the quality rather than the price. Whereas people, for example, people who are buying, the people who are buying Nano, they were only looking at the price, not the comfort. Okay, so you have to understand that you have to establish your brand. For example, I don't know whether you have heard the saying, but in Rolls-Royce, they say if you go to a Rolls-Royce showroom and if you ask for the price, they will not even they will not even talk to you. Because people who are looking at the price don't buy Rolls-Royce. Are you with me so far? So you have to ask yourself, and especially this is for Sameep, okay, because you are the decision maker. Okay, you have to ask yourself, what do I want to stand for? Do I want to stand for economy? Do I want to stand for value? Do I want to stand for quality? Once you decide, rest of the things will become easier. The biggest challenge with people like Sameep or most of the business owner is they want the entire market. They want people who want to buy cheap. They want people who want quality, and they want people who want value. And that's why constant struggle is going on.
Yes.
Okay, Sameep, if you have any questions about this, you can also discuss with me one-on-one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but this is very, very important because this is more of a philosophy or values. Number 3, explain what needs are being met with your product. So what all your products can do. So that all is a part of marketing.